Hey everyone, so I wanted to talk a little bit about what I expect to see for uh, the video feedback that I'm going to be giving you on your first versions of your uh, font classifications. You can see that you're going to be posting rough digital versions of your work for review in PDF format with outline type. And I need to see at least 4 fronts and 4 backs so that we know that you're keeping pace in a way that will get us to the finish line in this project. So let's go into Illustrator and look at what I require for you when you're posting these, and talk about the hows and the ins and the whys. So we're going to go ahead and open one of these guys that we did, in our last demo. So I'm going to just double click on that. That'll open it for me. So basically, when I give you feedback, I need you to do the following things so that I can give you reasonable feedback. Number one, I'm going to go ahead and delete this guy out of here. Well, I'm going to leave it because that might be great information for me to have. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File and Save As. Right now this is a Frutiger AI, and I'm going to make it a PDF. And I'm going to do dash outline. Now I'm saving this first because as soon as I do the following things to this, and I'm going to come down over here to compatibility and make sure that it's Illustrator 8. I always do press quality and compatibility of 8. And I'm going to go ahead and save that as a PDF. Now, the reason why I wanted to save this as outlined, you can see that it's now outlined, is because I'm going to, I didn't do any layers here, but I encourage you to use your layers. We talked a lot about that in the last demos. I'm going to grab everything with a drag select here, and you can see that all the things are selected. And I'm going to do type down to create outlines. As soon as you do that, if you don't save it, it is no longer going to be something you can edit. So if you had a typo, you'd have to basically retype and redo everything. So now I'm going to do a save as, and I didn't call this Frutiger, so that is something I need to keep. And I'm going to do press quality, and I'm going to do Acrobat 8, and I'll do save as. Now let's go look at that PDF. Let's hope that I can find it. I'm pretty sure it's in my tape. So here's my PDF, and I'm going to double click on that Frutiger outline. Now you can see that it's going to show me just that one. But if I come up here to view and do page, I can ask it to show me all of them. So I'll be able to compare it side by side with the front and the back. So those are the instructions for how you're going to go ahead and put this together for me. And I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks.